KevG Weather Overview, taking a look at the difference between an automated forecast and one that's done by an actual weather forecaster. And I would recommend this going forward. When you check your weather, check two sources of weather, one by a human and one automated. And that'll usually give you a pretty good idea of what's going to happen. This automated forecast right here from Weather Underground that I normally use, this particular one for this coming week is pretty terrible. It has 5 inches of snow for Monday. It has all these weird precip chances for the end of the week that is just very misleading. It has the snow chance for 4 out of the 7 days. So this was done by a computer. This doesn't really jive with what's going on in the models, and I'll show you that in a second. Now, when you take a look at a human forecaster, this is what they have, and this is more of I believe, what's more close to reality. They've got these hidden rain chances for the end of the week, but the general theme of this week's forecast is that the further and further we go into the week, the lesser the rain chances become, and the higher the temperatures will go. Keep in mind, our normal highs around this time of year is supposed to be around 50, and the normal low is still kind of chilly in the mid to upper 30s. So when we look at the day-to-day off the GFS model, this is the first storm, and this will bring probably the most rain out of all three rain chances that we have this week. Again, as we go through the week, it's more diminishing rain chances and fleeting rain chances rather than this pretty nasty day we're going to have on Monday. Now, can it start off as rain and a rain-snow mix and some wintry precipitation? Yes, but the bottom line is that the snowfall forecast is going to be minimal for most reputable sources, because this rain is going to take over as the main precip. We're going to have a half-inch to an inch of rain, and it'll be gone by early Tuesday morning. If we switch gears for just a second and look at the National Weather Service forecast, it's the higher elevations that stand any chance of seeing up to 3 inches of snow, and this is through about 4 o'clock. This was issued at 4 o'clock today, and it's through 2 o'clock on Monday afternoon. So the dominating precipitation type is mainly rain, with higher elevation snows possible in the areas you see in dark blue. But overall, not a big deal, and probably the last snowflakes that any of us will see for some time to come. Now, as we get into Tuesday, it's dry, but then another shot of rain moves in for Wednesday into Wednesday afternoon, and this will be pulling out stubbornly by Thursday, but I still think that it's on the lighter side. I think Monday is higher precip totals when all is said and done, and then we have a quick mover for Friday afternoon, but that only delivers just a few showers, and then we warm up, and it looks like a dry weekend is in store, and a little bit warmer as far as the overall temperatures are concerned from where we are right now. So that 70-degree day that we had yesterday was probably the warmest that we're going to see over the next 7 days, but overall, I think by the time we get to the end of this week, temperatures will be on the rebound.